Morning students, today we are going to learn about the neighboring countries of India. Student, India is the vast country. India is the second largest country in the world in terms of population and the seventh largest country in terms of area. Student, first of all, we have to know what are the directions. After that, we will get knowledge about the neighboring countries of India with the help of directions. There are four main directions. They are the north, south, east and west. It is most essential to know all the directions on a map. Look at the map. The top of the map is north. Opposite the north is the south. The east is to your right. It corresponds to the right edge of the map. To your left is the west. These directions are also called cardinal directions. Understand? If you look at the map of India, you will find that the southern part of our country is bound by three water bodies. Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. Student, a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Thus, the southern part of India is a peninsula. India is called a peninsular country. Understand? Because our country is bound by three water bodies: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Now, neighboring countries of India. India shares its borders with several countries which include Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Student, in the north direction, China, Nepal and Bhutan share the border with India. As you can see on this map. From the northwest direction, Pakistan and Afghanistan share the border with India. From east direction, you can see Bangladesh and Myanmar share the border with India. From the south direction, India shares border with Sri Lanka and Maldives. These are the neighboring countries of India. These are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Understand? Student, listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.